Techniseal NOCO polymeric jointing material is specially formulated for the installation of paving materials, for which mechanical compaction is not possible or difficult. Before you begin, make sure no rain is forecast for 24 hours and the temperature will remain above 50 degrees Fahrenheit during that time. The surface must be dry and sprinkler systems must be shut off. For this install, we will need the following tools: a leaf blower, a large push broom, a garden hose with a spray nozzle that has a shower setting, and a small masonry brush. Begin by using the leaf blower to remove any debris from the surface of the stones and the joints. Next, cut open the bags of NOCO and spread evenly. Using the push broom, spread NOCO over short distances, into the joints, and remove excess product from the surface of the stones. After all joints have been filled, use the leaf blower to remove any remaining sand from the top of the stones and to level out your joints. NOCO should sit 1/8 of an inch below the top of the stone. For hard-to-reach areas, use the masonry brush to remove extra sand and level out the joints. For detailed activation instructions on various applications, please visit Techniseal.com. To activate NOCO on flagstones, make sure your hose is on a shower setting. Starting at the bottom of the slope, water NOCO for 60 seconds per 50 square foot area. Stop showering when you see water retention on the joints. Move to the next section and repeat the process until the entire job has been activated. After watering in the first section, wait 30 seconds and check your joint activation with a screwdriver. Place the screwdriver into the joint and make sure the sand is activated, with water penetrating at least 75% of the way down the joint. If it is less than 75% activated, water the section again for 15 more seconds and then recheck. Finally, remove any excess water with the leaf blower. Please wait for a minimum of 7 days after installation before cleaning and sealing the surface. NOCO offers the strongest polymeric joint in the market, delivering mortar-like strength. Designed for any job from residential walkways to commercial jobs with heavy vehicular loads. Techniseal backs NOCO with an industry-leading 20-year limited warranty. Ask your local hardscape or stone yard for NOCO, the strongest and fastest polymeric joining material on the market. Or visit us at Techniseal.com to find a local dealer near you.